Welcome to Learn English with Alex and Maria. This is part 4 and today we'll understand how to use advice and advice, one with CE, one with SE in communication, in writing, anywhere. Hey Maria, I always get confused about when to use advice ADVICE and advice ADVISE. Can you help me understand the difference? Of course, Alex. Advice with CE is a noun meaning a recommendation or guidance given to someone. For example, she gave me some good advice, CE, about my career. Got it. So, advice with CE is the actual recommendation or guidance. What about advice with SE? Advice with SE is a verb meaning to give a recommendation or guidance. For instance, I advise you to start saving money early. It's the action of giving advice. That makes sense. So, advice with CE is the thing you give, and advice with SE is the act of giving. Can you give me another example with advice CE? Sure. He asked for my advice on which laptop to buy. Here, advice with CE is the guidance or recommendation he is asking for. And an example with advice with SE? Absolutely. The doctor advised him to take medication twice a day. In this sentence, advice with SE is the action the doctor is taking by giving a recommendation. So, advice is a noun and advice with SE is a verb. That helps a lot. Any tip to remember this easily? Yes. Think of S in advice standing for suggest, since it's the action of suggesting something. Advice with CE doesn't have an S, so it's the suggestion itself. That's a great tip, Maria. Thanks. I think I understand it now. Glad to help, Alex. Just remember those key differences and you'll be using advice and advice with CE and SE correctly in no time. Don't forget to subscribe English Company for more interesting videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.